It's box number 5, and this is a big one. So, and it's heavy. So if you want to see what's inside here, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. That's Chloe back there, and Bandit's over here watching me. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is another FabFitFun box. Again, mistakes were made, but we're just going to go with it. This is a big one. They did have one curated with like a lot of their home goods stuff. So I'm feeling like this is what this one is. And it was the one I was most excited about. All right, use that as a backdrop. I took everything out so it wouldn't teeter over because most everything in here is breakable. So the first thing is just a little hair clip by Fraser Sterling. And you know, it was pink. And the last time we got a hair clip that was similar to this, but it was a jade green, a different green, but it worked out really well for my hair. So I was hoping that this one would too. So I was drawn to everything in this box. So it seems a similar design as the one that worked really well. I think it's going to be good. Maybe you'll see it in the next video. Next, by Homesick, we have a scented candle. This is a natural soy wax blend. This, I think, is going to be Chloe's most favoriteest candle by the name at least. So it does have a little, it's a ceramic jar with a ceramic cap. That sticker might come off though, so it might be nice and reusable. And it is called Lemongrass Breeze.
Smells like lemongrass.
I know. Don't you love lemongrass? Or have you grown out of that phase? There was once a phase where everything smelled like lemongrass and she loved it. All right, next we have 2 boxes of the glasses that they had. These were so pretty. I'm only going to open one box. Each one has 2. But look at those. It's a pretty kind of flower shape in blue. By Roundhouse, we have the Sicily Stripe Serving Platter. This was so lovely. So super pretty, nice size. And then also by Roundhouse, we have some matching dip bowls. There's going to be 4 in here. And there is how those look. And you could also use them as dessert bowls, fruit bowls. And that's what's in that box. So let me know your thoughts down below. I feel like the hair clip just didn't kind of go, but I think they were like, well, we need one more thing for the box. Let's throw this hair clip in. But I think everything else goes so nicely together. So let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite item down below? And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.